what's up with it, do my boss booze? How you feeling, girl? How you feeling? I'm feeling so good today because the sun is out. It's gonna be a nice day, a nice warm day. So I just be in a good mood whenever it's like nice, you know. So I'm feeling good. Happy Monday. I love me a Monday. Comment down below if you love Mondays too. A lot of people don't like Mondays, but I love Mondays. It's like the start of the week, and you know, you just got your goals most of the time. You know, you don't hit all them goals, but it's a new day, a new week, a new chance to hit them goals. So I just be loving my Mondays. Okay, so I'm about to get out of here. I got a lot of stuff done today. Well, did I get a lot of stuff done? Hardly, kind of, but you know, I got some stuff done today. Guess what I did today? I went to therapy. Right on my phone, I did teletherapy, whatever. It was cool. Like, I liked it. I liked my therapist. Like, she was really cool. Like, I got to give a little cry out, okay? And it just felt really good to have like another perspective on everything that I'm feeling, and kind of like, you know, kind of guidance through your feelings. And it just felt really good to go to therapy today. So yay me, I went to therapy. That was one of the goals that I had for 2021, was to find a new therapist, and I did that. So bam boom. My house is still a mess, y'all. Yesterday was Sunday. I'm not showing you. Nope, I can't bring myself to show y'all this room of mine because this is ridiculous. Like, no, why is it still a mess up here? Yesterday was my cleaning day, right? But I just did not get a lot of stuff done. I mean, I got some stuff done, but it just wasn't, girl, it wasn't even close to having a clean house all the way. But we about to head out. I want to do some shopping this week. I don't know how much I'm gonna get done today because I kind of just been in the house for the most of the morning, which is my free time when the babies is at school and daycare, okay? But I'm still gonna get out and try to get a little bit of stuff done. I got a lot of stuff to take back to some stores, give me some money back, okay? Here's my little bumming it OOTD. Like, I decided, like, when I dress down, like, and I just go run errands, I still wanna be like a little cute. So I'm trying to get, you know, my style together. Shout out to Brandon, because he really helped me out with a style. So this is the fit of the day, featuring my Gucci bag that I got out the trunk of a car. And let's go.
Just can't let you go.
Yeah, but now I'm ready to let you go. No. Leave me alone, boy. Hell no, I'm not gonna stay. Fuck you, nigga. You talking all that shit, but you should've did right from the jump. Now it's over and you crying and you tryna beg me, but I ain't with that bullshit, boy. Bye, let me see.
I need you in my world.
Oh, I know you need me in your world.
You to always my girl.
No, I'm not gonna always be your girl. Acting a fool.
Ooh, I'm after.
Yes, you is. No, fuck you.
You were supposed to be my friend.
Yo, motherfucking phone shit. I don't understand that. Niggas be crying about, oh, we were supposed to be this, we supposed to be that. We sure the fuck was, but like you, like you the one did that. Like you, huh? Alexander. This boy is knocked out. Al, we at the surprise. Alexander. What's up? We in these ATL streets. I got my crew. It's a whole new day. Like yesterday I had to drop everything. I was in the middle of like shopping. Yeah, I was in the middle of shopping, and then I realized that I was running low on time and I was late, you know, getting babies and stuff from school. So yeah, we're gonna have to resume like the house stuff. I think I'm gonna do that next week, because this week, girl, I'm hanging out with friends. Like, I am so happy. You need what? But yeah, I just been making friends, y'all. They loud. Messing up my vlog. But we are hanging out with some new friends, you feel me? Just having fun, exploring Atlanta. Like, honestly, this COVID shit, like, girl, COVID ain't going nowhere, so we just gotta like live it up. I mean, I know you still gotta be safe and be careful, but like, we just can't be sitting in the house forever. Like, what else we gonna do? So we gonna be out here exploring and doing stuff. We gonna be meeting new people and, you know, having fun, also being safe, of course. But girl, we gotta live our lives. Shoot, you ready for the surprise? Y'all see it? Here we are. We made it. They got little menus and everything. I'm screaming. Oh, I want me some chicken and waffles, please. Chicken and waffles, chicken and waffles, chicken and waffles. Look at my little chefs. Wow. Y'all cooking it up. What you got? Oh, you got a whole chicken? This is so freaking cute. Like, look at these. Y'all got a whole ass, y'all got a real industrial kitchen. Ooh, thank you, Isaac. Oh, I want some sauce, yes. Hold up, I got some hair. I need the manager. I got some hair on my food. I got hair on my food, take that back. And I want a refund. You can go fishing. This is so cool. Oh my goodness. Awesome. I got you, mama. Look at that. Oh, Nemo. That's cool. Look at that, mommy. Uh-oh. She's like, Oh, good job, Al.
I got you a fish.
You got me a fish? Let me see. Oh, thank you. Hey! I'm flying around, but I think I'm really flying. I can't even talk. I'm falling in love with Atlanta. Like, it is just so lit here. Now start. The only thing is, I don't be about this city life for real, so I'm about to try to figure this out. I don't really know. Okay, insert my license plate. Y'all don't need to see all this. Oh, my nails. Card use. I'm confused. So what do I do? Insert payment. Press insert payment for more time. Huh? People are looking at me like I'm crazy. I do not know how to do this. I'm confused. Just press start. More time? Wait. More time. Okay. Okay, we'll probably be okay. I see now. Oh, that's how you do this. So I'm gonna do 8 o'clock. And that's that. Now, did it do it? Okay, there we go. I did it. I paid for parking. We're going to the restaurant. It's just so pretty in Atlanta. So many good spots to take pictures. That's the aquarium. Georgia Aquarium. Ooh, arcade in there. Oh yeah, see the sharks, jellyfish, all of that. Yep. Oh, Atlanta is just so pretty. It's making me want to move to the city, like be in the city, because I love a city. It's a cute little city. All right, we finally made it. Look, she already got our table and stuff. Oh, Johnny Rockets, let's go. Hey, get it, Aiden. He got the move. Look, okay. Oh yeah. It's the bang for me. It's the bang. The bang. Whoa, 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 whoa. Ignore my bang, okay? I think we got that out the way with the bang song, but you know what I'm saying? Just ignore the bang. But we had a, I can't take myself seriously, hold on. At least brush it back, like, that's even worse. We're just gonna put these back down for right now. I know they're getting on your nerve, they're getting all in your face and your eyes, but just for right now, okay? Okay, y'all, that's better. But anyway, today was so fun. Ow. Anyway, today was such a busy day, but it was so much fun. Like, y'all, my friend, I met a friend. Y'all ain't gonna believe this. I honestly feel like the universe has just been lining, I mean, that's what the universe does. Like, God is so good. Everything literally has a place and purpose and time, and just everything flows. Everything flows. The only reason why shit be so hard is because we be fighting the flow, or we just don't know what the flow, like how to not fight the flow. Like, we be fighting the flow. But anyway, when you get out of the way, get out of your own way, and just let yourself flow with creation, like, shit just be lining up. Shit just be lining up for you. Like, I'm just meeting amazing people, like, just energy that's supposed to be in my life, and energy I'm supposed to be connected with. Like, it's just crazy, like, friendships. And I'm just so excited to make amazing friendships, because I know that at this point in my life I'm gonna have amazing friendships, because I've been manifesting amazing friendships. I've been believing in amazing friendships. Just me being like in a genuine sisterhood. Like, I just think we as women, we really need that. Like, you gotta have some sisters, you gotta have some girls, like, you know, like, it's just nothing like that woman power, you know. So that's what I've been manifesting, and I could just see it manifesting in my life, and it's just amazing. And I'm so thankful. Like, shout out to my new friend. Look, listen, we both Aries. Like, ain't that crazy? We literally was sitting there like, you are lying, like, you are not telling the truth. April 4th, April 5th, like, no, you're lying. And what? Lies. I don't believe. It's a lie. Like we were saying, we don't know about them airy men's, okay, but the airy women, like, we just be on some cool ass vibes, like, for real. Honestly, I ain't never met a bad Aries woman. Like, we just be on some cool ass shit. We vibe out, our kids have fun together at the children's museum. It was just a really great time. Got something to eat. It was just a great time. Downtown Atlanta, y'all, I think I'm in love. I think I'm in love. No, for real, I think I'm in love. Like, I'm falling in love with Atlanta, because it's just a long story about Atlanta, like how I'm even here. I'm just falling in love with it, because I didn't even know if I wanted to stay here. I was like this close to leaving, and it's like something told me to stay here. I don't know what it is. I don't know what my purpose here is going to be, but I'm going with the flow. I know I'm supposed to be here, and I'm like literally just, I let go, and just let the universe carry me, and just rest and let my life flow the way it's supposed to flow. And it's flowing, baby. It's wavy, it's flowing. So I'm excited, I'm happy. Let me get this chicken out this air fryer, because it's probably boinked. Oh no, it's perfect. Gotta do a little shake. It's almost perfect. Yeah, let that go a few more minutes. But yeah, y'all, thank y'all so much. I hate how my arms look in this shirt. I be like, these boxy type of shirts do not do my arms good, because I just feel like I be looking so manly. I need to gain a little weight, okay? People be trying to lose their arms. I just want a little more weight on my arms. They're just so skinny, look like little chickens. Anyway, this whole weight loss of mine, unintentional stress weight loss of mine have been, that's just been another thing kind of like trying to bring me down. But it's okay, we're gonna get back on it. 2021, manifest, believe. It's just believing, like believing, speaking, seeking, like waiting for it. Just, you know, it's yours. Pretty much, period. So manifest, okay? And watch those things that you manifest and you pray for, watch them come to you, because they already yours. Thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for joining me on my journey of life. Like, welcome, we in this journey of life together. I love y'all. Okay, I'm gonna quit talking. Peace out. I should have talked like this. Yo, over this. Ow. Make it look more sexy. Wait, how does this make a picture look sexy? Oh my god, girl. I be looking like a skeleton lady. Girl, I'm losing my booty. I need to gain some weight. How these are extra small and I got room? I just want to be thick again. Is it giving a little something? It be the angles. I'd rather have Jesus than silver and gold. No, Jesus. Ooh, that is not that song. Living on my own. It's so lit. What? Y'all, these be so damn good. They so good. What is I gonna say?